Hey everybody, Rip here. Every Sunday, our family does Sunday morning pancakes. We absolutely adore it. It's time together, and everybody likes their pancakes a little bit differently. I love mine with bananas and a little bit of dark chocolate chips. Hope likes hers plain. My son Cole likes his with just chocolate chips. My wife loves frozen blueberries. So you get the idea. Now, a lot of you have asked, how do you cook pancakes without using any oil? So here's what I gotta tell you. You can get like one of these non-stick pans like this one. This is a green pan, and these work exceptionally well. I'm just gonna put a little pancake right there. All right, and you'll see this works beautifully. Now, if we're gonna use a cast iron, we do use just a little bit of spray oil there. And then what I do is I wipe it down completely, as much as I can to get the excess off, like so. And that's the only time that we use spray oil is for the cast iron pan when we're doing pancakes. Otherwise, when we're doing like cookies, roasted potatoes, onions, you name it, we're doing it on parchment paper. Brussels sprouts, we don't use oil for anything else. Now the great thing is, this is gonna work for my first pancake, and then after that, I could make 20 pancakes and never have to oil the pan again. All right. So this one is probably just about done. Let me just check her out. Oh, not quite. I'm gonna give this a little bit longer. All right, and here we have our pancake where we use just a little bit of oil for the first pancake. As you can see, that turned out beautifully. And seriously, I will now be able to make another 10 to 15 pancakes with no more oil on this cast iron skillet. So really, there you have it. 2 ways to, for the most part, cook oil-free pancakes. One with a non-stick pan and one with a cast iron pan. Happy Sunday morning pancake to you.